Hi y'all, I'm in room 10, getting ready for you guys. So welcome to Year 11 Art. I'm not here this week, I'm on long service. I'm on a conference in the city. So I am just videoing and I'm going to put this on YouTube for you to see what you're going to do this week. So, you know where everything is, you know the drill. You should all have visual diaries. You should all have the black book. Here is one here, visual diary, all right? That's what I want you all to have. If you don't have it, there is, over here, some A3 paper, and there is more in the storeroom off my office. Now, what you're going to do, visual diary, and if you're using plain pieces of paper, well, that's what you're going to have to do and stick it in later. First page, Year 11 Art. Here's one I've prepared for you earlier. So here's Abby's from last year. Year 11 Art 2018. Do it however you want. You can start it. You may come back to it. These are good things to come back to later on in the year so that you always have kind of like a task. Now, Abby used the same symbol, some may say slightly inappropriate, to explore each element. You are going to have a page on each element of design because you are going to know these. And I know some of you have learnt them, but rarely we learn them all. So you know where they're all written. So they're written up here above the whiteboard. So the elements are here. They don't have the yellow, they're the principles. So we're just going to do the elements for now, this week. So you're going to have a page per element. So here she's got time. Art that is either created over time, having things always being added, or art that is limited, I haven't got my glasses on, sorry, is limited for time, meaning that it can only be displayed once or for a certain amount of time, or it might be made of ice or fire. Another example, it needs to be collected moss on it. So she's got time there. Then her next page is line, a path between a moving point. Lines can be represented physically in an artwork or can be implied between 2 points in space. So that's her section on line. She goes on, colour, tone, shape, form, texture, light, sound, space. So she has the description here and a bit of a drawing. You don't need to do that. But this is what I want you can, well, yeah, I do want you to do it. Or an example of another artwork that is using space or a lot of line. All right, so you've got them all up there. Sound, shape, light, time, colour, texture, tone, form and line. I will leave a textbook out. It's the Articulate textbook. Artisan, that might be okay. And hold on, Roddy, I'm just making a video for these kids. And in these textbooks, they have a description of the element. Be good to get that description down. But I will leave Abby's visual diary. So this is Abby's visual diary. I'm going to leave this under the overhead projector. So if you want to get the descriptions down in your books or on your pages, that's what you're going to do. There is plenty of work there for 4 lessons. If you can kick that in 4 lessons, you are doing really well. So it is the front page, Year 11 Art 2019. Then we're going to go on to that. You're down here. So I'm not sure how many are in this class, but what I've done is the Year 8s and the Year 9s. So where is that? That's meant to be there, and that is meant to be there. So what I would do is I would take this stuff out of here down the bottom, put it up here. I've got to sort through that next week, and give yourself each a drawer and put your name there. Get a bit of sticky tape, and that will be where you keep your work. Alrighty. All right. So I'm going to post this. There's other little exercises I'm going to post on my YouTube channel, Jean Sheridan, so you can go on there if you want to do some other exercises to help you get through. So most of the exercises are going to be on either light or shade, so tone, or they'll be on lines, exploring lines, and ways to inspire yourself to get ideas, because a lot of us are stuck with ideas. Okay, well, you have a great week. I will have a great week, and I will see you next week. Okay, bye.